Why did I pick BigQuery for this course? I believe that the best way to learn is to load your own data and follow questions that interest you and play around with your own projects. And BigQuery is a great tool to do just that. First of all, it is free, at least for the purposes of learning and for the purposes of this course. It has a great interface that will give you really good insights into your data. And most importantly, it is really easy to get started. You don't have to install anything on your computer. You don't have to deal with complex software. You just sign up for Google Cloud and you're ready to go. And finally, as you will see next, BigQuery gives you many ways to load your own data easily and quickly and get started writing SQL right away.